Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Owltron outdoor surveillance cam. 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi IP camera here is on the start, and it comes with a 4 megapixel high resolution, 4K, okay? 2K is possible, 4 megapixel. 10-meter night vision is included. Motion detection, and it's IP65 waterproof, so you can use it outdoor. Alarm message, full color night vision, two-way audio, and it comes in a white finish, and it looks really professional. We have 2K. That means 2K resolution, and 4 megapixel resolution was sharp and clear both during the day and the night. The Owltron outdoor security camera records every image in crystal clear 2560 to 1440 pixel definitions. When the bright headlights are on, the security cam can record color at night too, with a night vision range up to 33 feet. We have all corners under control, and we keep an eye on everything that happens on our property with that camera system. And intruders cannot hide in the dark, and we have alert system. The security cam with headlights and alert siren protects our home 24/7. The ultra bright headlights turn on intelligently when motion is detected, so we can clearly see what's going on outside. In addition, the loud siren alert can be triggered manually with the Owltron app to warn intruders and those the vulnerable areas outside our home. The intelligent detection of the Wi-Fi IP cam sends alerts to our phone when detecting people, movement, or noises out there. We can also check via an app to see what's going on outdoor or indoor. You can also attach this indoor. No prop, you can make it. And we can also check and communicate with, for example, children that they are going to dinner via a Bluetooth built speakers. And of course, we can also give instruction for the delivery service or information and burglar that we are calling the police, for example, because it comes with two-way audio. The auto cam can work with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so we can see the live video of the camera by simply saying a few words instead of turning on the app. Smarter and more inconvenient, that is. Plus, thanks to the IP65 waterproof housing, we won't have to worry about the camera being exposed to the elements no matter where we mount it. The 24/7 continuous recording allows the outdoor camera to record important events via an SD card. Maximum is 128 GB, which is not included. We can also enjoy the Owltron cloud plan if we like. All data traffic between the device and the app and the surveillance camera is secured with bank-level encryption. Or we can use our app to make a movie via the app, via the cam, and save it in the library, and after the library we can save it on our library on our smartphone, for example. That's possible too. Really cool system, I think it is. It's really cool because it comes with a good solution, it comes with a good resolution, and it comes with a nice footage of picture and movie detection and night vision. Night vision is included, and plus the night vision is a smart floodlight detection. Really cool, I think. Two-way audio, AI detection, color night vision, 2K resolution, and IP65 waterproof. With the 2K 4 megapixel video and live view, it is possible to see everything in daylight and in evening time light, and of course night. At the clear night or at the darkest night, it's possible to see something on the cam, on the movie, and on the picture. It will automatically turn on the lights on when the camera detects a motion at the night. Real-time two-way voice intercom function to support speaking directly to anyone who approach our front door, for example. An IP65 waterproof design can handle any time of weather. That means rain, no problem for it. Snow, no problem for it. And every weather condition, no problem. The movable design allows to be placed anywhere, indoor or outdoor, monitoring our safety and privacy in our top priority. The 2-hour audio is great. It loves the siren and the spotlight function to extra deterrent and multiple alert systems, multiple security barriers. Big fact. That's a good fact for this camera system. And it's equipped with an ultra-sensitive motion sensor and a variety of alert methods. We don't let the night be blurred from the camera's vision. We could freely choose in the color night vision or in the night vision infrared to watch in real-time videos in real-time quality. The Ball surveillance camera supports the lens on and custom schedule to turn the lens on the off custom schedule program itself. We have an intelligent human body filtering. This minimizes fails alerts. And the outdoor Wi-Fi IP camera is easy to pair because you have to download the app, of course. Yeah, that's really easy. And then we can switch on the camera system via a USB port as power supply, or the AC adapter, which is included, or a power bank if you like to make it outdoor or something. Then we power on the camera and make sure that our mobile phone, which we are going to connect it, is already connected to Wi-Fi. Only 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi is supported, but it's no big thing because every 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi router can handle 2.4 too. We open the Owltron app and of course we add a device on the button on the right upper side. Then we click the cam R1 and we check and we confirm the camera status at the next step. After this, we get a QR code, and this QR code we are going to hold it in front of the camera system. The camera will detect this QR code, and it will be a connection already done after this. After this, we can use or we can install our camera where we like, and then we can control it via the app. We have storage methods. We can choose to subscribe to a cloud storage package by easy steps, of course, but this will be free for, I think, 2 weeks, but then you have to pay for it. Or you use a micro SD card. Then you can get this into the camera, the micro SD card, and of course you have to store this on it. And the third way is live view. That means you can use a video function on the app or with the app, and then you have there a savable movie or a picture. So then we can start to use our Owltron camera system. This is a really cool camera because it's really smart. It comes with 2K resolution, IP65 waterproof, two-way audio, and color night vision. That's because the floodlight, which is programmed or switched on automatically. That's a really cool camera with good movie, good picture, and so many smart things with the application. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So.